Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Lexus GS350 F Sport. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 311 horsepower and 280 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch wheels, F Sport badging on the side here, black leather interior, sunroof, rear spoiler, all-wheel drive GS350 badging, F Sport badging on the trunk, clean set of floor mats, power liftgate, blind spot assist, premium sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, climate controls, touchpad, center, 6-speed automatic transmission, our different driving modes. This Lexus has 29,593 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus GS350 F Sport, check out feldmanimports.com.